山新城市第三街。Rua 3 de Cidade Nova de Toisan. Up by the border, streets of Toisan. The beautiful border of Macau.
We're gonna film this, it's called the 3rd Street of Toisan. I don't know if I filmed all of it before or not. I might have filmed part of Toisan. So I'm just gonna make sure that I have, so I'm gonna go down this one and kind of explore. There's also this kind of cool looking little thing with like ramps. If I go down like that, and this is kind of at the base. But let me put this up on the map before we go down our target street right there. So stay tuned. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So, yeah. Okay, so before we go down our target street, which is right there, we're gonna just take a look in here. So there's this whole little world in here. All these kind of tall buildings. And they kind of go into these little edificios. There's even an Indian restaurant right down there too. Kind of like that, like these little courtyard stuff. And there's even an Indian restaurant right here too. Hello. Taj Mahal. I didn't even know this was here. Hello. That's kind of cool. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down our target street. I should stop. I'm gonna stop one of these days and eat at that place. I didn't even know this was here. This is like a little bit of a has no street name here. I'm gonna go directly down that way. Okay, let's see here. So we have to cross the street right here. Looks like we could go across over this way, which is what we should do. But I guess that's what we should do. Check out these unusual buildings like this. Yeah, and I think if you cross over, looks like this older lady will, so will this guy. So we'll go across as well. That's how we should go across. Okay, so let me go down our street right here. And this one is ours. It's kind of cool. So we're gonna go down that one. And then this is our name. Today's Cidade Nova de Toisan. And Toisan has all these very, very tall buildings everywhere. Okay. This is kind of cool though. And that's where we kind of went up in that little space up there. And then there's like a ramp, and there's also another one. Look, there's somebody right there on the balcony. This is kind of cool. Toisan. Yeah, I don't know if I filmed this. Whenever I did film it, it's been a while. I think I do recall filming this before, but it's probably been at least a couple of years. Toisan is pretty interesting. It's kind of marked by all these tall buildings, and it's also right next to the border. And kind of unusual built buildings too. And I think that yeah, this goes right into the Toisan area right in here. So these little ones, I think I have explored it and gone and filmed some of this. And I think on the map, I thought I saw it went kind of like this. Let me see. So yeah, if we were to go up in there, there's kind of routes into that, and then our street just continues down that way. Let me go in because it is kind of interesting. There it is right there. Tres de Cidade de Toisan, the 3rd street of the neighborhood of Toisan. And then actually, I don't know, maybe I won't go up, but if you go in, there's all this kind of cool stuff up in that way. It's a little bit dark. There's also stuff on the other side as well. So that's basically where we came in here. There's another little space all the way down that way. And let me see. There's more of those little ways like that. It's getting a little bit dark. San Malo supermarket. Barber shop. Yeah, and I'm pretty sure that these also go into the Toisan, so it's quite dark. But yeah, this kind of goes right into another neighborhood, Toisan neighborhood. So the side streets. Anyways, I haven't filmed this in a while, but I guess it's good that I do. That's kind of what it looks like. There's just tons and tons of tall apartments everywhere. And I believe Toisan is named after, there's a city called, sometimes they call it Toisan. It's in Guangdong though. Got soccer right there. Never knew that was there. More of these little alleys. Okay. I think we got our street sign again right here, so I'm gonna capture that. And yeah, it goes up into all these little things. I'm gonna keep, I think the end of the street might be down this way. I think there's a little bit of construction down here. Yeah. Okay. I'll just kind of go up here. So now we're on the this is a first street, so we're on the 3rd street, and that's the 1st street. And this is this Toisan neighborhood. And then in here you'll see lots of different street signs. This is Deutsch, number 2. So anyways, ours was the 3, and then there's at least like 3 streets. Anyways, 1, 2, 3 of Toisan. And I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up here, and we're gonna follow up this way, because this is kind of where the heart of it all is at. And then you get a better understanding of Toisan. And when you're up here, it feels like a whole little world. There it is. Small little Toisan neighborhood. And each one has like little places you can hang out in front of them. And there's at least 12, 13, 14. You keep going down, so there might be like 20 of these tall buildings. And they all kind of look like this. Huh. Kind of amazing. They all have balconies, right? And they all look out. Very cool. Yeah, it's kind of amazing. Okay, so and then our street, we just go directly down into there. So we kind of walked by some of those, so now you kind of get to see what the other one looks like. So that's your cigarette pack there. Okay, so let's end it right there.